So, good morning, friends. My name is Ashish Nandakishore Patil. Our today's video topic is methods of object, and our today's date is 17th of July 2021. So, today we are exploring what are the methods of object, how an object will be initialized or declared, or and see the methods of object. So, let's start. So, before going to that, what is a class or what is an object? So, for knowing that, let's take an example that if I want to build a building, so for that building, I need a blueprint or a plan for the building, the structure of that building. So compared to that, so that blueprint is nothing but a class and the object is nothing but a building. So the JVM needs a blueprint for building the tower so that the class defines the structure of an object. So we can call that class as a blueprint, and the structure of an object is called as structure of an object. So means that building is called as the object. So let's see what object knows something and object does something. So what actually object knows something? Let's consider a class. The class having variables, that is that is, suppose in class I take an variables, that is int a equals to something, string s equals to something. So these all the variables that I have initialized in the class, this all variables are means object knows that there are some variables are initialized. And what is actually object does something, we put some methods in, means there are in class there are some methods. So for performing that operations, so this is nothing but the object does something. So let's consider what is the now let's take what are the methods of string. So first is toString method. It is a built-in method that in Java the returns value gives it in a string format. Hence any of that object or of that method this applied on will, then it returns to that string method. So what are the how the initialization of this toString method? So first public string toString and parenthesis. So this is nothing but the initialization of this method, and that string is nothing but the return type of that method. So next of that is clone method. So what is clone method? It will use the copies of our object. So what actually does this method is we can get the copies of our object. So this is nothing but a clone method. So next to that is equals to method. What is equals to method is, it returns the boolean value that is of a true or a false. Means the method returns the value that is of true or false. Let's take an example. If a string s1 contains abcd and string s2 contains abcd, so what will we get? Will we get the output? Output will be as a true. Why? Equals to method is checks the literal data, means the data we have put in the means the literal. So we will be get as a output as a true. And if the s1 contains abcd and s2 contains abcdef, so what we will be get as output? So our output will be read as false. Why? Because equals method checks the literal size and so this is nothing but a literal so this is nothing but a equals to method. Next to that is a hash code method. What is hash code method? Thus hash code method is nothing but it gives a unique ID to of our object. Means it gives a unique ID to an object. This is nothing but a hash code method. Next to that is a finalization method. What is finalization method? Finalization method. So a garbage collector calls a finalization method when an object doesn't have a reference variable. So this is a reference variable there. So that object is nothing but it goes in the garbage collection. So this is nothing but a finalization method. So next to that of is a wait method. So what we actually is the wait method is it holds the object or it holds the thread, current thread until another thread called the notify method. So this is nothing but a wait method. Next to that of is a notify method. Notify method wake up a single thread that is waiting for object monitoring. So this is nothing but a notify method. And what is a notify all method? In a notify there are single threads are used, and in notify all there are multiple threads are used. So wake up all the threads that are waiting for the object monitoring. So that's all from my side. So thank you so much guys. Thank you.